Once upon a time, there was a boy with a dog
who met a very pretty girl
They fell in love and started a blog
in hopes to make the world a better place. This is our story.
Good morning, everybody. Hanging out in Montreal, Canada today. Gotta learn some French. This is where they train for the Olympics. Heave! 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 That guy's in the lead. No, that guy's in the lead. I am skateboarding on a Formula One F1 racetrack right now. It's awesome. It feels so freeing. People go so fast on this road. Montreal is awesome. It feels amazing outside. People rollerblading. They would lose in an F1 race. It's true. I've started speaking Turkey to the rest of the guys so that they know it's time for stage.
God, everyone's on drugs today.
It's about that time. We have to walk from like the bus. It's like a 20-minute walk or a 15-minute skate. But it is that time for the show. Very excited. And then we get to go back home into Canada, back home into the States, where we can use our phones again. This is just me stating the record. I'm leaving my skateboard backstage, and I'm hoping that it will be here when I get done. Is this a skateboard spot? Charles keeps purring on me. It's a turkey noise.
Wait.
You're making sexual turkey noises. I don't know how to handle that. I'm looking at you through a DeLorean. It's the DeLorean drum kit. How was the show from your end?
Fantastic.
You got really tall, dude. Really tall. Nerd, how was your show?
It was good. Like, I don't even remember it happening because it was so easy. It's second nature.
I messed everybody up on Queen of Hearts. Did you film it? Okay, because
You're the queen. I was like,
I think I was filming it.
oh my god, I went out there and we have in our ears, we have click 2, 3, 4, and then you hear 1, 2, 3, 4. I did click 2, 3, 4, and then started singing, and I didn't. Yeah, I got a little like into it. There were so many people there. Biggest crowd we ever played for in Montreal. I definitely messed up twice.
And Sophie, the oil change and the armor roll and the tires. Thanks.
Yep.
Got it.
Thanks.
For the deluxe.
Do something cool. Do like a jump. Kickflip.
It's kind of a lot of work.
Do an ollie. Do a manual. Lift up the front tires.
I can't, sir.
Come on, dude. Oh, here it is. Here's the jump. Yeah. Time to do a little bit of signing here on the Vans Warped Tour in Montreal. I don't speak French, but I learned some stuff. Hi! I like your red hair. It's awesome. Sophie is going to go down the entire line. Just make them cheer. Do whatever you got to do. Into the rain. There it is.
Trav's vlog. You know Travis? Travis from We the Kings.
You don't know Travis from We the King?
Oh yeah, sorry. Oh, okay.
You're in line to meet him right now.
Sorry, I was like, okay. Oh man, is he gonna do that?
Yes, this is his.
Vegetarian day 22 or 23, maybe 24. Look at that. That goodness. Chinese day. And of course, Arnold Palmer, which is always vegetarian. That's a true thing. All right, Nerd Rock and I are gonna rap battle right now.
No.
Well, he's gonna sing DMX stuff.
Did you show him what I did?
Yeah.
Those are all over the bus, by the way. And I totally didn't do it.
Ryan's like, thank you, Charles. I'm sure Duncan will love that. We just filmed an awesome tribute to 4th of July, and I came in and I really want a banana. And I'm assuming that that's Hunter's girlfriend, Caitlin. Am I right? Am I right? Is she the one that drew the cat? She like doesn't have a signature, she just draws a nice little cute kitty cat. Aww. Look at Coley just going to town on, I don't know who it was out there. One of our fans, who's amazing, got us a coloring book with a whole thing of colored markers. And he's still, it's a Browns Batman.
Cleveland Browns Batman.
So you showed me
And then, oh my God, you've done multiple?
El Diablo Batman.
Wow, that cape is sick.
And his one complaint was that we don't have colored pencils.
Colored pencils would be awesome.
Yeah, you could really make, you paint anyways when he's at his house, so like, if you guys wouldn't mind bringing us colored pencils at Warped Tour,
I'll draw you pictures.
Yeah, he could draw you pictures, but he can also get ready for having a baby. So you can paint and draw things with them, especially Batman stuff.
Totally.
Why does it look like a Latina or Latino Batman?
Yeah, well, I just wanted to add some flair.
Oh, did you add that? Did you add the goatee?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's so funny. It looks like El Macho. That's awesome. Yeah, bring us colored pencils if you want Coley to draw you something nice. I'm working on a song for Jenny. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this or hear this, but this is what I have so far. Try to prop the lyrics up. There we go. When you walk into the room, everyone's eyes, they turn to you. You are honestly the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. The way your body moves, I just can't get enough of you. You are honestly the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And it's true, every part of me loves you. Something like that. Could be cool, right? Well, the show was awesome. Everything was great. We are officially back in the good old United States. I tried to play a trick on the, well, not a trick, just a joke sort of thing with the Border Patrol. And they were in our driver's side window, and they were like, they called us out. They were like, Travis Clark. And I walked up there and I looked right instead of looking at the driver's side. I was like, I don't see him. I don't see him. He was like, sir, sir. I don't think it was very funny, but. Were you waiting for me? Since we made it back into the States, I'm calling my lady. When I met her, I saved her as Jenny Just Wow Robinson because I thought, wow, just wow, which is awesome. I just got off the phone with Jenny and I'm really excited to see her in a couple days. But we are back in the States, heading to New Jersey for the show tomorrow for Warped Tour. The tour has been absolutely amazing. I love everybody that's on the tour, and it's really, really fun to just kind of like walk around and see where we started as. We used to be the band that was like trying to sneak into Warped Tour because we didn't have enough money to get in, and now we get to play main stage. It's really cool to see something like that happen. But just a inspirational thought for you guys. Love you, and hope you guys had an amazing day, morning or night, whenever you're watching this, and as always, we'll see you tomorrow. Peace. It's important to me that Jenny knows that even though I spent a lot of money on this parachute, that it is being worn. And Sophie will be the first to tell you that it's been a success so far. Everybody. Tell them. Everybody loves it. Nobody hates the parachute. Even, I walked off the bus and two girls were walking by, they're like, oh my God, I need to meet you. We tried this on at Urban Outfitters the other day and you actually bought it. I don't have one, but I do have one. It's not here. Sorry, I don't know how else to explain that. Somebody took mine. So now we're going to the We the King sign-in.